Max, do you know your tail's do you know your tail's ruining the environment? A bird just flew this somewhere close to my chest, right in front of me. Looks like Max is getting ready to like go to climb up the tree or something to get to the bird. Because if he's trying to look camouflaged, he's only covering his face up, and the rest of his body can be seen. Max, look what your tail has done to the environment. You've made a mess of it. You're cleaning this mess up afterwards. Max is chasing the birds. Yeah, he wants it. Max, you flattened the area out. I told you to clean it up. It's hard to see Max now from here. The birds can't see him, but he can see the birds.
The washing machine's there, it's 15 minutes then.
Yeah, it's finished, that's one.
This is probably what Max's view's like. You can just see a jungle back there. But it's not really a jungle when Max finds it out. If he was to find out about it. Well, is Max like actually thinking of going in? Yeah, Max is just going in. Max is tired of like waiting. Max is just going in. Shit. Okay, Max, you can come out now. Max, don't go in! Piss. Max has gone in. Max has a new heart. Max thinks he's just gonna stay. Max is like, ah, shit.
Look at you.
Max, you're dirty.
Look at his
Max,
feet.
look at you.
His feet are black.
Max, your feet are dirty.
Like kangaroo feet.
Your feet are dirty. Max.
It's full of dirt.
Max, you were in a spot you weren't supposed to be.
Maybe your legs.
And Shannon's. Car, bike and home insurance for motoring